Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Reviews, your go-to channel for the smartest gadgets and tech that make life easier. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best robotic pool cleaners in 2025, the ultimate helpers to keep your pool sparkling clean without the hassle. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button to support us and stay updated with the latest reviews. And if you're interested in grabbing any of these amazing cleaners, you'll find all the product links conveniently listed in the description box below. The WYBOT C2. Vision isn't your average pool cleaner. It's an AI-powered robotic pool vacuum designed for in-ground pools. Thanks to its built-in industry-leading AI camera, it detects debris, avoids obstacles, and maps your pool intelligently instead of cleaning at random. Over time, it actually learns your pool's unique layout and debris patterns, boosting efficiency up to 20 times compared to standard cleaners. With the WYBOT app, you can choose between 8 specialized cleaning modes like wall only, floor only, turbo floor, dirt hunting, and more. Next up is the NIXBOT QP5, a versatile robotic pool cleaner for both in-ground and above-ground pools. What makes it stand out is its dual motor turbine system, which provides excellent power and suction to tackle leaves, sand, and debris with ease. It also uses sensor-driven navigation technology, allowing it to map the pool in real time, avoid obstacles, and ensure full coverage without wasting battery. Best of all, it's cordless, so you don't have to deal with messy cables getting tangled. Compact, lightweight, and built with a durable filtration system, the QP5 is a smart choice for homeowners who want hassle-free pool maintenance. At number 3, we have the trusted Dolphin Nautilus Pool Up. Known for its plug-and-play simplicity, this robotic pool cleaner is perfect for small to medium pools up to 26 feet in length. Just plug it in, drop it in the pool, and in about 2 hours, you'll have a spotless pool. What makes it shine is its wall-scrubbing power. The Nautilus climbs walls and scrubs them thoroughly, ensuring your pool stays crystal clear from top to bottom. Plus, its active scrubbing brush is tough on dirt, but gentle on surfaces, making it safe for all pool types. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient pool vacuum without complicated setups, the Dolphin Nautilus is a great option. The runner-up spot goes to the TALOSBO Pleco SE, a cordless powerhouse with a 5,000 to 200 mAh battery that delivers up to 130 minutes of runtime and recharges in just 2.5 hours. Perfect for both flat above ground and in-ground pools, it's designed for efficient pool floor cleaning. It features dual-drive motors and upgraded silicone bottom brushes that pick up everything from sand to small leaves. The LED indicator system keeps you updated on battery life and operation status at a glance. Lightweight, energy efficient, and powerful, the Pleco SE is easy to pull out with its included hook, making it an excellent choice for anyone who wants a balance of performance and convenience. Finally, at number 1, we have the WYBOT C1, the ultimate 4-in-1 pool cleaning robot. This machine does it all: floors, walls, water lines, and even stairs, with triple motors for maximum climbing power. It can handle 45-degree slopes and uses smart obstacle avoidance to prevent getting stuck. Its Smart Navigation 3.0 system maps your pool with precision, using S-paths for floors and N-paths for walls to ensure 100% coverage. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, you can fully control it via the app, set custom cleaning routes, or let it run on Auto Smart mode.